Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics, and today we'll be unboxing the MPS-RBSVMS PowerSport Universal Side Mirror System. Alright, so starting with the unboxing. Here you have your pair of side view mirrors. These have an aluminum alloy housing. In the back of these mirrors, you can see you have a smoked colored lens that hold 9 LEDs in each of them. These LEDs produce a 4,500 lumens white light. Next, we have the universal brackets right here. And these can fit 1.5 to 2.5 inch roll bars. We have that system going right there. Here we have all of our hardware. These rubber inlays. Here we have our wiring harness. Has your fuse built in and your knockout switch. So all you have to do is plug it in, run your wiring. It's all in one. Everything is in there. There's more hardware, the longer screws if you have the wider roll cage, and that's it. So to sum it all up, you have your pair of mirrors, your roll cage mounts, all of your necessary hardware to do the mounting, and your long power cable. Knockout switch, on and off. For any more information on this product, you could visit MetraPowerSports.com. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.